Yes, good morning. So today we are going to continue our tutorial and review in calculus in differential calculus for K11 and K12. So, but first before we continue, you must remember the following facts. So one, this is for with practice teaching only. Two, this is for those with professional education only. Third, this is a non-college degree mathematics. Four, I studied this 16 years ago with my only one board exam in mathematics. Fifth, this is in the capacity of non-GD. So, we have a problem here. And again, I must remind you that your children, your grandchildren, your great-grandchildren, particularly those who are studying here in the Philippines, remind them that they must pass the elementary mathematics so so that they can proceed to high school mathematics in junior high school. Then they must pass the junior high school mathematics also so that they can proceed to K11 and K12 and study mathematics in K11 and K12, particularly if they are planning to or you are planning them to be engineers or ingeniero. Uh, CPA or those courses that teaches mathematics except BS Filipino, BS English, and let's say BS Political Science. So that's it. So here, a sphere of radius 2 centimeter is broke into a conical vessel full of water. Find the altitude of the smallest cone that will permit the sphere to be entirely submerged. So we have a conical vessel. So then in that conical vessel, you see the one in the ice cream, the dirty ice cream. That's a conical vessel or cone. So it's inverted, and the ball, let's say the ice cream at the top, it's a ball. It was wrapped inside. So here we have radius for conical vessel that is uh, that has the base at the top equivalent to r, then height equivalent to h, then the radius of the ball drop inside the inverted conical vessel is 2, and the angle, so we will make a vertical angle from the base, from the top going to the vertex below. Then we will put theta, theta and theta. So we have a triangle. We have theta, then we have a radius of 2. Okay, and the center, let's say, be O. So we have 2 equals AB sine theta. So this is simple SOHCAHTOA method. Then AB equals, okay, so the center is, let's say, B. So we will erase the O. So H equals 2 plus 2 cosecant theta. H equals 2 open parenthesis 1 plus cosecant theta. r equals h tangent theta. R equals 2, open parenthesis, 1 plus c theta, close parenthesis, tangent theta. So V equals pi r squared h over 3. So volume equals pi over 3 for open parenthesis 1 plus CIC theta squared, tan squared theta 2 open parenthesis 1 plus CC theta. So volume equals 8 pi over 3 open parenthesis 1 plus CIC theta close parenthesis cube tan squared theta. So here dV over theta equals 8 pi over 3 bracket open parenthesis 1 plus CC theta close parenthesis cube 2 tan theta secant squared theta plus tangent squared theta 3 open parenthesis 1 plus CC theta close parenthesis squared times open parenthesis negative CC theta plus times cotangent theta equals 0. So 2 open parenthesis 1 plus CC theta cube tan theta secant squared theta equals 3 1 plus CC theta close parenthesis cube squared tan theta CC theta cotangent theta. So next equation we have 2 open parenthesis 1 plus CC theta close parenthesis secant squared theta equals 3 tangent theta CC theta cotangent theta. Open parenthesis 2 plus CC theta close parenthesis secant squared theta equals 3 tan theta CC theta cotangent theta. So we have next equation 2 plus 2 CC theta times secant squared theta equals 3 tan theta CC theta cotangent theta. So 2 plus 2 over sin theta 1 plus 1 over cosine squared theta equals 3 sin theta cosine theta all over cosine plus sin theta sin theta. So we have 2 plus 2 over sine equals 3 cosine squared theta over sin theta. So we have 2 sin theta plus 2 equals 3 cosine squared theta. Then 2 sin theta plus 2 equals 3 open parenthesis 1 minus sin squared theta. So 2 sin theta plus 2 equals 3 minus sin squared theta. So 3 sin squared theta plus 2 sin theta minus 1 equals 0. So 3 sin theta minus 1 times sin theta plus 1 equals 0. So sin theta equals 1/3. H equals 2 plus CSC theta. H equals 2 plus 2 over sin theta. So H equals 2 plus 2 times 3. Thus, H equals 8 centimeter. So that's it. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. But remember, they must first the basic mathematics before they can go to college. So, passing senior high school does not is the ticket to be called bachelor in the college. Thank you.